In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Gamma app credits, including the free credit bonus, how to check the credit section, how referrals work, and how upgrading to a paid plan can refresh your credits every month. If you're using Gamma for presentations, documents, or AI-powered design, knowing how credits work can save you time and help you plan your work better. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first way to get Gamma app credits is by signing up as a new user. When you first create your account, Gamma usually gives free users an initial allotment of credits. In many cases, this is around 400 credits, though the exact amount can depend on the current offer or account setup. So if you're brand new to Gamma, the moment you finish creating your account, you may already have credits ready to use. Now to check your credits, look at the top right panel inside Gamma. You should see a credits icon there. Click on that credits icon and Gamma will show you your credit balance along with the different ways you can earn more. This is the easiest place to understand how many credits you have left and what actions can help you build them up. Next, let's talk about referrals, because this is one of the best free ways to earn additional credits. Gamma free accounts can earn 200 credits for every person who signs up using your unique referral link. That means if you share your referral link with friends, co-workers, classmates, or followers, and they create an account through that link, you can keep stacking credits. This is especially useful if you use Gamma often and want to extend your free usage without immediately moving to a paid plan. To make referrals work, copy your unique link from the referral or credits area inside your account, then share it wherever your audience is most likely to join. Once someone signs up through your link, Gamma should add the referral credits to your account automatically. If you don't see the credits right away, give it a little time and check the credits panel again. Another important option is moving to a paid plan. If you upgrade to a plan like Plus, Pro, or Ultra, Gamma gives you a monthly refresh of credits. That means instead of relying only on the free sign-up bonus or referrals, you get a recurring credit reset each month based on your plan. For people who create a lot of content, this can be a much easier way to stay productive without constantly worrying about running out. So if you're just getting started, the free sign-up bonus is the first place to look. Then check the credits icon in the top right panel so you can see exactly how your account earns more. After that, use referrals if you want to collect extra credits for free. And if you're a regular Gamma user, upgrading to a paid plan may be the most reliable way to get a monthly credit refresh. If this video helped you understand how to get Gamma app credits, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.